Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to do your online investment, how to start your own online company, and how to monetize your app and website and make money from it. Yeah, so as you can see today, I'm using a phone. That means I'm here to show you how you can monetize your phone and make good use of it and get good money from it. Yeah, so I have an app that I want to introduce to you that is paying Africans $9. That is 100 Ghana cedis per week. So if you can do, you have 5 times per day. So if you can complete all the weeks one day, then you have 500 cedis per day. Yeah, so I will leave the link in the description. Yeah, so in case you want to download the app and join. And one thing, there is no investment. You don't have to invest anything. You don't have to invest anything. You don't have to invest anything. All you have to do is just download the app and start working. You can work 5 times a day and you'll be getting 100 cities per the week. Yeah, so let me show you. There are 3 ways of making money on this platform, but let me show you the quiz size side. After that, the following day I'll show you the other side too. Yeah, so when you click on the link in the description and you want to download it, because the app is not yet verified on Google Play Store, it will be on Google Play Store by next month. Yeah, so if you try to download it, they will be like it's harmful to your phone and things, but you have to go see more and click on download anyway. Well, it's not harmful to your phone. No, it's not that. But because it's not yet on Google Play Store, that is why it will give you that feedback. Yeah, so if you download the app, this is how the app looks like. Yeah, it is called Rundel Chat app. Yeah, so let me show you the easy way that you cannot make money on this platform. On this platform, you see, let me show you. Yeah, so I'll click on it to open the app. So it's loading, and some people were saying that like they don't know. So I want to show you. And one thing about this platform is it accepts 2 payment method. That is mobile money, either Vodafone Cash or Tigo Cash or MTN Mobile Money or cryptocurrency wallet. That is USDT. Yeah. So when you open the app, this how the app look like. Yeah, you see, this how the app look like. Yeah. So today my focus will be on the video section, the quiz section, and the random chat session. Yeah, and the reason why I'm saying that is the random chat. The reason why we created the random chat, I want to show you more. First one is there are a lot of mentors over there who also make money online. So you have to interact with them and they will show you the way. And these mentors, like by next month, we will indicate their names over there and we'll give them different symbols so that you will know that this person's a mentor and like he or she is an expert on let's say arbitrage, Amazon KDP and things so that you can consult them and they can guide you for free. Yeah, for free. If you're on this platform, they'll guide you for free. Yeah. So let me go to the random chat. So the random chat, if you open the app for the first time, if you open the app People are winning. Yo, people are winning. Is that thing? So if you open the app for the first time, this how the app looks like. And one thing about this app is that if you can't even read, the app can read for you.
Who have cash out 500cedis before? Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
You see that thing? So it can read for you. And this one is a group chat. So if like you want to chat, let's say a mentor on the platform. So let's say this Solomon Martin's a mentor. Let's assume you just click on the person one, and you go to private chat. This is a private chat. This is it. You see that thing? Yeah. And you private chat. You see, and this one is the private chat. So anything you discuss with this person is between you and the person, and the person can guide you with a video, a picture, or symbols. Like you have symbols, we have video section over there, and anything is written. Yeah. So this chat was created purposely for you interacting with what mentors, but that's not the reason why I'm here. I'm here to show you how you can make money on the platform. So I'm using this account. This account, like as I said, you have 5 chance of us making money on the platform. So I've already like consumed my 5 chance. Let me see. So you have 5 chance what to do it. So when you obviously you can't participate again. Yeah. So let me open. Let me extend. Since I'm the founder of the app, let me extend this the time so that we can have a good video today. Yeah. So so if you go to the quiz the quiz, that's where you can make money, and the runner game too, you can make money on it, and the runner chat too, you can make money, because people are there to guide you to make money for free. They are not charging you anything. No, they will guide you and charge you anything. So by next month, we will activate that thing, so that you see the run, like the experts on online businesses. They will guide you and show you simple ways to make money online. Yeah. So let me open it again. I've extended my time. So you see, answer all questions for 100 cedis cash prize. So I'll go to stats. So it means that if you answer all questions, you get 100 cedis cash prize, and every day you have just 5 attempts. So you can answer all the 5 questions, just 5 every day, and you get what, you get all the questions correct for the 5 times, and you make your money. You see that thing? Yeah. So you have 15 seconds for answer any question. So if you take much time on one question, it will go against you. Yeah. So the first question. So what is the purpose of the diversification in investment portfolio? Wrong. It will take, that means you have already lost 10 Ghana cedis, 20 Ghana cedis. You have 10 Ghana cedis over here. Yeah. Who's the founder of Rundel Tech Company? You have lost your 10 Ghana cedis. This 10 Ghana cedis is already lost. Yeah, just have to note. Have you seen it? Yeah. So I have 10 Ghana cedis right now. It will not. Have you seen it? It will not deduct unless you get the other one wrong again. So the one I've deducted, so you have 10 Ghana cedis. You have for 20 Ghana cedis. I hope you understand it. So this one is an advert, so you can cut it and continue with your thing. You have 30 Ghana cedis. So 30 Ghana cedis, 30%, that one you can't earn any money. But if you get the questions correct, automatically the customer service will chat you, or you can screenshot this one. Like, let's say you are done with this thing and you get, let's say, 80% or 90%. That one we can consider you and give you 90 Ghana cedis. Even if you get from 60% going, that one we can consider you and get. But if the customer service don't send you the money, it's not by force. If you have, we have sales people who manage this platform. So if the person is very, as or the person will understand you and what give you money because you have 50%. But if your he want to award you for 100%, because like this one is the 10th. Yeah. So let's say if you have the 100 questions correct or 80% correct, you this is how you make the money. So you go to the Rundel chat. Rundel chat. First of all, you can, have you seen the WhatsApp group, Telegram group, or customer service? You can click on the Telegram group or the customer service or the WhatsApp group, any of them. The WhatsApp group, no, if you click on it, you go to the WhatsApp group and you search for Rundel Tech Boss and you chat him one on one and you send a screenshot to him and he will send the money to you directly. Yeah, or you can do this. You can say, oh, have you seen this thing? You click on him, so this one will pop up for you. This how you do it. You go to the Rundel chat. Watch it well. Let me go back and show you with the icons. Like, let me. So you go here after you go here. You see, yeah. You click on it. Then don't come. Don't put the image on a group image. Don't do that. Don't do that. You can either private chat the Rundel Tech Boss, or you will post it on your wall. So something like this on your wall. Have you seen it? So I went here. This is my wall. So I went here. Watch it very carefully. I click on it. So that's where you make the money. So you have to what? Pay much attention to it. Yeah. Then you go to this place, this place, this place. Have you seen it? You go to this place, this place, this place. Yeah. So I'll click on it. So you wait for it to retrieve. Then you go down. Then you come to the image and profile. Here. Have you seen here? Here. Then you post the image over here. So if you post the image over here, automatically it will alert. This one, don't post it. You post it on your own on your own wall. The customer service will see it. Yeah, post it on your own wall like this thing. You come to the image, then you go to add, and you add the screenshot of your score over there. So when the customer service open the app, he will go to the latest action. So he will see that you have posted an image over there. I hope you understand. So if I open my latest action and go to this and go to the latest action, it's loading. So if you posted something, so you see, so I'll see that you have posted an image over there, and the customer service will attend to it and check it and pay you. So when you're posting your image, make sure that you post the image plus your payment method. I hope you understand it. Yeah, so when you are posting the image like this, make sure that you are posting it plus your payment method. You are posting it plus your payment method. Don't just post the image. No, post it with your payment method, or you can post the image and later add your payment method in the comment section. So that's where the customer service will see your chat, everything, and pay you within 5 minutes. Because like the customer service, they work 24/7. So I've been saying this thing like this. You see, you post the image over there and you add a comment over here. So when you post it, the customer service will see it and not and pay you within 5 minutes. Yeah. So that's how you make money with the quiz and what reward. That's how you make the money with the quiz and reward. It's very easy. And people are saying it's very difficult. Charlie, getting 500 cedis a day, it's normal. This one is normal. This one is normal. You don't need to invest anything. Just answer questions and get money. So in my next video, I will show you how you can make money with the game. With the game. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And the names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm out. Thank you. All right.